The vehicle first needs to be on a level surface. Then, the center cap is removed. The lug nuts are now loosened. You want to make sure only to loosen them and not to remove them while the vehicle is still on the ground. Now the jack is carefully placed and the vehicle is lifted. The lug nuts are now fully removed. Then the wheel is removed and set aside. The trunk is then opened to access the spare tire. The spare tire is removed and installed on the vehicle. The lug nuts are now installed, but only hand tight. The vehicle is now carefully lowered. Now that the vehicle is on the ground, the lug nuts can be tightened. This is done on the ground to prevent the wheel from spinning if the lug nuts were tightened while the vehicle was still in the air. The flat tire is now placed in the trunk. The vehicle can now be driven to a service center to have the tire properly repaired or replaced.